This video, I show you how to make money with this free app. It is one of the easiest ways to earn $1,975 per month. I'm going to tell you how to earn money online using a free app. As well, only a few of the people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. If you end up getting value out of this video and decide to subscribe with notification turned on, then it's free and you can always change your mind later. I will always keep you updated about my new strategies for making money online. I want to make sure you are one of the first to use the strategy, so that you can enjoy the most financial gains. Now let me show you a free app that will let you make money while you sleep. This app is available nearly worldwide and all it takes is following a few easy steps. This is a video to get started. Feel free to comment down with what you are from and I will make sure in the future that every video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments. And don't forget I have a special bonus for you at the end of this video. So make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. Now let's get back to the video. So the app that will actually be paying us today is called Spyfu.com. This is an app I'm pretty sure none of you have ever heard before, but believe it or not, can make you a lot of money. Now what this app basically does is create surveys with cash prizes worth $150,000 that you share on social media and link your friends to them in order to win free reward points that translate into real cash rewards as well as additional entries into competitions with more prizes. Spyfu's search engine marketing software identifies and provides access to your competitors' most successful keywords, bidding strategies, and ad placements. Spyfu is a spy tool that reveals the digital activity of any successful competitor by showing off their ranks, keywords they bought on Google Ads, and rankings in organic searches. This can give you the inspiration to follow your competitor's marketing strategy to find success. I urge you to stay with me because we will not be paying this tool first and foremost. You don't need to know how website traffic works in order to use the tool. So it's a very easy strategy. As I mentioned, there is a lot more to this app than what I covered here, which is why you can always read the full website if this sounds up your alley. However, to get started, scroll down to the bottom of the home page and click on Affiliates here. Spyfu has one of the best affiliate programs available because it offers 40% commission with lifetime membership. If a user you refer to this program stays, you will receive commission. Spyfu pays as much as 40%. You can earn up to $720 annually. Remember 3 important things when considering their program: they pay a lot, they have an amazing affiliate program, and it's the only one of its kind on the market. One thing that is cool about recurring commissions is that they're in a recurring form of income, making it the go-to app for someone who wants to create passive income. And the other cool thing about this type of program is that people need to get these apps because they will be receiving their profits via these programs. Yes, they do pay Spyfu, but users who stay with the app will get a big return of their investment. This encourages them to keep using it for longer periods of time. More importantly, you'll learn on this page how many people stop using this app after they start. I'll address that in just a second. However, even if you refer only a few people, those referrals should be enough to provide an income for you. There is a 365-day tracking cookie, which means that when you send someone to your affiliate link, and if they don't sign up through that link right away, but do so at some point within the next year, you will still earn commission. With an incredible deferred affiliate pays system, you can be paid twice a month through paper wire transfers for people who do not sign up for the service immediately. This is an excellent feature as it provides security for affiliates. You can rely on PayPal to have a recurring income in the Spyfu app. With less than a 4% churn rate, they are reliable and worth the investment. By purchasing this app, you will have a steady stream of income every month. Most people you refer here won't stop using it, which is one of the best features of this app's affiliate program. You can read the last thing on this page are their frequently asked questions. If you're enjoying this video, I would really appreciate it if you left a like. I've put a lot of time and energy into this video and need your support to keep doing what I'm doing. Subscribe to this video to get notification. We'll drop a new video next week and show how to make more money online doing basic things like this. Let's take a look at this video. To get started, just click Start Earning every month right over here. You can create an account and get your affiliate link to promote Spyfu. One of the last things I want to show you is how much money there is available to be had with Spyfu. To illustrate this, you can visit the pricing tab here. Anyways, Spyfu offers 3 pricing plans: basic, professional, and team plans. All three provide annual and monthly options, with monthly plans being just slightly more expensive than the annual ones. This plan is great for those who need good, reliable service without the huge price tag. Perhaps most people will benefit from it when they go to purchase their plan with 10 people. That is already nearly $3,000 a year. You could make $5,000 a month for 10 people. This app can bring you a lot of success and revenue. Although I just told you how much money you could make, let me now show you how to increase your revenue potential. To show ads on Google, make sure your ad block is turned off. Type in keywords that will show you ads and make sure they are not related to what you're searching for. For example, type business and Google will show relevant ads for businesses. How this free app spurs revenue and makes you money. If you show ads on your website to generate revenue, only show them on the second, third, or fourth trip through the search engine. There are two important things when it comes to advertising. The first is to not click on the first or second ads you see. The third or fourth ad will yield a better result, as these advertisers are losing 90% of potential traffic if they're not on the first page of Google. This means that they're losing a lot of money, and so we know that they're willing to give Spyfu a chance to improve their traffic for ads. Your goal is to find their contact information in order to encourage them to try our services at Spyfu. I found their social media info at the bottom right here. You'll now contact these people and tell them the benefits of Spyfu. Just go through all of its features and tell them that it's a great investment for them. With a time-efficient AI, you can contact these people with the benefits of Spyfu. You will now go through all of its features and tell them that Spyfu is a great investment. As a blogger, you will get the most out of these blogs by finding advertisers who will provide content-specific tokens. And the majority of these rich ads will be willing to try Spyfu for themselves. I can guarantee you this. However, that is not all I have for you today. In case you don't exactly know what to search for, a site called 𝐸𝐴𝐺𝐿 will be a huge help to you. This will give you keyword suggestions for those who don't know what keyword. Keywords are words people type in a search when they're looking for something. So if you use a keyword like business, then it will show you all the keyword suggestions. When you keep searching any one of these keywords, different ads will pop up in this way. When you run out of potential clients, you can easily find many clients simply by repeating the process over and over again. That is exactly how you earn money online using a free app. And now, if you want to earn even more money, check the first link in the video description below to discover how to earn money by just reading scripts, which is one of the best ways to make money online, which anyone, even without previous experience, can do. Yes, it's possible, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in that video right there. Check it out. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.